Today, people's attention span is shorter than ever. Businesses need to cut through all of the noise and engage audiences in a meaningful way. That's where video marketing comes in. "87% of marketing professionals who use video say that video marketing has helped them increase sales. From engaging animations to personal face-to-camera content, each type of video has its own set of pros and cons. So let's dive in and discover which one suits your business needs best. First up, we have animated explainer videos. These are fantastic for simplifying challenging concepts or products. They grab attention with impactful visuals and can be tailored to match your brand's style. Next, we have testimonial videos. These videos humanize your brand by featuring real people sharing their positive experiences. They're cost effective and they build trust with your audience. Did you know that 92% of consumers trust online reviews and testimonials as much as personal recommendations? Moving on to product demonstration videos, these are invaluable for showcasing the features and benefits of your offerings. They provide a hands-on experience for viewers, boosting conversion rates. They do need careful planning to ensure clarity and effectiveness, but product demos can increase conversion rates by up to 80%. Behind-the-scenes videos offer a glimpse into your company culture and processes. They foster transparency and authenticity, which strengthens your relationship with the customer. Webinars or live streams allow direct interaction with your audience in real time. They're perfect for hosting Q&A sessions, workshops, or product launches. Customer case study videos provide concrete evidence of your product or service's effectiveness. They showcase real-life success stories, building credibility and trust. Product review videos offer impartial insights into your offerings, helping customers make informed decisions. They leverage influencers or experts to reach a wider audience. Tutorials or how-to videos guide viewers through using your products or services effectively. They establish authority within your industry and provide value to your audience. When creating this content, clarity and simplicity are essential. How-to videos are incredibly powerful, with 62% of consumers preferring to watch and learn from a video rather than reading text-based instructions. Promotional B-roll videos with graphics or voiceover create dynamic visual narratives by combining engaging footage with animated graphics and text overlays, and/or voiceover narration. They grab attention and convey key messages effectively. With carefully planning and editing, they can deliver a real impact. Brand story videos weave together elements of your company's history, values, and mission to create a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. They evoke emotions, foster brand loyalty, and differentiate you from your competitors. E-learning videos provide educational content to train employees or teach customers about new products or services. They offer flexibility, allowing learners to access information at their own pace and convenience. The world of corporate video offers a variety of options to suit your marketing goals and budget. Whether you opt for an animated explainer video, face-to-camera testimonials, or any other content type, remember to prioritize quality, relevance, and authenticity in your content creation journey. At ProfileTree, we're well versed in all things video. We don't just create videos, we partner with you to understand your specific needs and then craft a video marketing strategy that delivers measurable results. We offer a comprehensive suite of video production services, from concept development and script writing to animation and strategic video marketing. We'll help you choose the right format, create compelling content, and ensure your video reaches the right audience. Are you ready to unlock the power of video marketing for your business? Contact ProfileTree today and let's discuss your goals, craft a video strategy, and propel your brand forward.